2024, this year you need to wake up. We all know that we have habits that is bad. Those habits stop us from achieving our goals. Those habits will keep us in the same level that we are. But yet we still do those things just because we feel comfortable, just because we don't want to step out of our comfort zone and change things around. This year we are not doing that. This year we are getting out of our comfort zone and changing things in our life. If for you probably it's watching TV for long hours or scrolling on social media every single day for long hours, those habits need to end now. You have probably taken a piece of paper at the end of 2023 and wrote down like plans and everything for 2024. But if you keep doing the same thing that you were doing in 2023, let me tell you that nothing is going to change for you in this year. So this year in 2024, personally my theme this year for my plans and everything was wake up, because in 2023 I did so many good things that I'm really proud of myself, but yet I was super lazy. I would sleep, I would watch TV for long hours, I will keep scrolling on social media, skipping gyms. I was doing so many things, so many habits that was just wrong, that was just not taking me anywhere. Since in 2024 I've decided I want to change my life. I want to bring my life in a different level. So this year I am going to wake up, and I came here to tell you, if you wake up, if you change those habits, your life is also going to change. So if you take a look in your life, take a look at what you do daily, things you do daily, are those things going to bring you where you want to be in life, or are those habits going to really bring you where you want to be in life? If the answer to that question is no, stop doing those things. I've just realized that I was scrolling too much on social media for no reason. So this 2024, I need to stop with that. I need to stop with watching TV for long hours for no reason. I need to actually put in the work so I can be where I want to be, so I can see my life in a different level. We're not getting into 2024 with the old bad habits of 2022. Leave that behind. In this year, we are changing things in our life. In this 2024, the plans that we made, the goals that we want to achieve, we will achieve it. How will we achieve those goals? Is by putting in the work. Don't just sleep. Don't just be lazy. Don't let laziness take over or take control of your life. Take back control of your life today and decide to change things. Because the change that you want to see in your life, you are the only one person who can actually make the change. Start by changing your life today. Start by making good habits. Start by maybe exercising, walking every 30 minutes every single day. Start by changing old bad habits. Replace them by good habits that's actually going to bring you where you want to see your life in the next level. Start doing those things and you're going to see the difference in your life.